Hello, I hope everybody have a pleasant day. What I did, so I fried baked eggplants on this pan and basically in oven. And what's happened, I asked my younger son to put salt. Basically we use this, but we use too much. It's Tony, and so I decided how to fix. I cannot toss it this because it's work. So I decided to do two different salad or meal, how you want to call. So I leave like this on plate. Another one I cut on little pieces. Eggplant. I cut little bit garlic, little bit green onion, tomatoes, and that we will eat with chips. See? And chips you can use this one.
Tortilla chips?
Tortilla chips. You're correct. And because right now it's holiday season, you can use this one. So I put on plate like look. I'm going to mix it. So I'll take this tomatoes. I will add little bit olive oil because I didn't use much for this eggplant. I just put on the bottom of the pan and I'll use little. Olive oil is good for you. And mix it. Mix well because it's garlic there, so it has to evenly spread all over. What I did, I put that tomatoes, garlic, green onions, I cut everything and I cut eggplant, and so I mixed together. Look at this, looking gorgeous, beautiful, and eggplant in this kind. You can call it salad or eggplant. This looks like spread or salad. It's fine. So I will try this one. Oopsie.
So you're kind of eating it like a guacamole.
Yeah, but
Except
it's like different kind.
Eggplant instead of
Yeah,
avocado.
eggplant. It's very perfect. It's actually vegan food because you have to be creative, and you can eat with chips. I hope you like this simple recipe. Do comments, subscribe, and if you want me to continue to cook, please say so. Have a wonderful day. God bless everybody. I think that's it. Look at this. I decorate a little bit my eggplant salad or spread, how you want to call it. It's up to you, or give me idea how name it. So I put around like cucumbers, broccoli, and looking more festive. So I think it's good.